Welcome back to our part 2 of building our electrical system to be off-grid with our van. In this part you will see connecting the wires and eventually the big switch on. So please watch. So we show you how we built the electrical cupboard, which Victron parts we used, like the meticulous, how we wired up the system, how we connected battery, how we connected the 320 volt, and eventually how we switched on for real power.
We are Sandra and Jan and love rock climbing, mountain biking and bushcrafting. Our plan is to build an ultimate adventure van for our future travels. If you're new to the channel, why not subscribe and join us on this new chapter. Greetings from the Too Small.
Nice black, Sandra.
We marked the positions for the lights, sockets and equipment connections to help with wiring with orange stickers.
I made my first cable, electric cable or pre-wiring in the van. I'm not an expert, but this is what I did. So I did it for the max air fan over here. You can see it here. This is the max air fan, 2 wires. This is our cable that I run through here. You can see it over here. Then it goes over there into this area. This will be behind the shower. So it will pass us here. Then it goes behind here. Then I will make a big, of course everything is with a conduit. So to protect it from any rattling on metal sharp edges, we have PVC or whatever, polyacetal conduit. Eventually it will come here. It will come together with a lot of cables. Then it goes down into the garage area. And in the garage area, of course, I will protect the cable or the wire as well with conduit. And it will come to my junction box with fuses over here. I think cable, the better word is wiring, or the wire. But okay, my native is not English, but okay, this small correction. I have to wire these cables into a conduit to fit into the van. So there's some 6 millimeter, square millimeter, some 4 and some 2.5 for all kind of 12 volt applications. So let's see how we are going to do that. I put this cable in the conduit or run through the conduit. I missed the proper tools. I had such a guidance plug, but it's too big. So I have to do it manually. It's okay. I have my heater here because it's quite cold and I am enjoying the work. I'm planning to get my cable and conduit through here. I will connect it to the pilot cable through the back side, up here, then through the back on the top, go back again, comes out here, and then it will run down to the electric system which will be placed over here. That is the plan. I run this cable through here. Yeah, it's a little bit difficult, but I can manage. And that will come here. Testing the light wiring.
Dus dit is allemaal goed aangesloten. Dit is maar één. Dus dat werkt.
Ik heb hier ook een loze kabel, maar die is te kort. Using Wago lever nuts for the connections. The DEFA plug is on the bumper. That's the inlet for the power to come on the grid. Eric Rollet put it in of Rollet car electronics. He did that underneath here. Maybe I can show it a little bit like this. You can see it over there. That's the bumper. It comes in here 230 or 220, and it goes here into the carrossery, and I made the connection inside the car. Whew. Let's check it. So inside I took off the other end of the plug, and then I have it over here. This is what comes as on the chassis. The chassis of the van will come over to here, this connection, and I had to go through the carrossery here in those tiny holes. So here you can see I went in here somewhere underneath, and then I came out here. This will be the area where the switches are, the 220 switches. So from the outside of the grid towards the rest of the van. I hope it's clear. I started with the electrical box inside the van with all the wires. Not an easy job, but okay, it needs to be done. Someone is working on some different project, but this is how it is today. I need to wire this up on the back side. No battery yet. My first trial of the 220 volt circuit. I connected it now here onto this plug, going inside the DEFA plug, connecting to my wiring system, almost over here, to the automatic switches, and then it goes to this light over here, just a simple light. They are now, sorry for this, switched off. It says off, and if I put it up, the light should be on. You see some flickering, but it is just normal in eyesight, so it's working. It's working, yes! My first small success. Yeah! Sandra is coming, so I have to hurry up, yeah. I need to make sure she can come in. Okay, there she is. Hi Sandra. She's coming in. This is our automatic fuse box for 230 volt or 220 with all. There's no power on, so don't worry. I connected it, everything. I got the sketch. I received the wire diagram from Faraday, Peter, because I'm not an electrician. I had connected this part. I checked already this one, so that is working, but the rest of it goes to the meticulous inverter, 3000 watt, and then coming out again, going to our fuse, no, our connection boxes. Okay, I made a simplified drawing for myself because I'm not an electrician. So it's coming in, 25 ampere, going to the 16th, going into the meticulous, coming back from the meticulous in the breaker, and then the security breaker as well, and then it goes to my system. That's how I made it simple. So here you can see it's connected.
Connection junction box.
That was a struggle to get the cables on the backside through the van to the wiring area. Not everything is connected. Still I have to do the 12 volt connections. Make it nice. Battery has to be started. This is from the battery from the van going to the Orion. The Mini Smart Shunt. All protections to 20 almost finished, but need some modifications. The Cerbos GX is there. So progress. Everything is connected now, except for the battery. Hopefully it will fit. The electric unit. It's nice and toasty warm here in the van. I started with the 12 volt electric installation. You see here all kind of wires which I have to connect to this fuse box. Everything is settled on the back side. I also managed to install the solar panels to our 12 volt system. It's not active yet because we are inside, but it's off now. So that has also been done. So let's see how this progresses. Our electric system is in. All cables are connected except for the connections to the meticulous. 220 or 230, 12 volt. I missed some cables, I have some cables over here. The battery is not in yet, that will come as last, but at least it is in. It is secured. It's very tight. It's very secure. So now we will put in the meticulous, and then tomorrow we will do the connections of the meticulous with our system. It's there, the meticulous. A little bit tight, but okay, it does fit. So I'm reading here AC in, which I already did, but I'm checking what should I use. AC out 1
or AC out 2. So I'm reading here that AC1 out has a power assist feature, and AC2 is if you have a high current that you need for a boiler, but you have to be on the grid. Then the battery will switch off. So the grid will take over that function. At least that's how I understand it. We are here now for the first part of our electric system. According to our good friend Gert, he said first try your AC system before the DC system. So we have 230 on the vehicle now by the DEFA plug, and now I will switch on. I did it before and we had a problem because the connecting cable to the Cerebos GX was connected and gave a wrong signal. It's a little bit messy, but okay. I switch it on. Yes. So now we should have, it says low battery, of course, because there is no battery. And now it has to switch on itself. If it doesn't, it's a problem. There it is. Yes. Okay, you see, low battery, so that's correct. It has mains is on and the bulk, meaning I can switch on these breakers so the current will come to this light, which I a little bit messy connection, but okay. And there it is. It's a little bit flickering, but that's because it's an old one. And it's working! Yes, Sandra, it's working! Like a glove.
Here I'm installing the fuse to the van battery to load the electric installation with the alternator.
Yesterday I put on 230 volt AC on the unit. It works now. I've seen some activity, but today it's the big switch on of our electric system. So it's exciting. I turned already on all the switches, and now the big moment. Oh, first I have to put on this one and the connector. I see some lights. You see some lights, Sandra? See something working. You can see it's already inverting. Yes, I have power. 30 watts. It's drawing 30 watts of the light over here. So this is from the van itself. I've put already here a temporary switch or light to see if it works. Yes, there is light. So the fuse is in and you can see we have light. So the battery is being charged yesterday by 2:30. And now it's going to AC as well as DC. Not much, but at least it's working. Yes! Yes! If you like our videos, please give us a thumbs up, and if you want to join us, please subscribe to our channel and push the notification bell so you won't miss a video.